Bibigyan ka lang. Here we go.
Eto.
Good. Pinato. Rebound.
Eto na.
Good pass. Kaso medyo malalim yun. Agawang bola. Outside. Gonna take this.
Shot lang.
Yes, sir. South Bullies.
That kid is very good. Magaling talaga yung bata na yun. Here we go. Outside shot. Laki nito isa.
Substitution. Metasport.
Here we go. South Bullies with the ball.
Hoy, grabing labanan to sa ilalim ha. Oh!
Ang ganda
Nice
ng
spin, ang
spin.
ganda ng spin. Alam mo nung kabataan ko, malayo eh. Hindi ako ganyan nun eh.
5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds. Gonna take the shot right now.
Metasport! At kung kailangan nila ng sagot, nandiyan ang Kobe Bryant ng meta.
Iba talaga. Papawian. Isa pa.
Foul called on Metasport.
Iba yung intensity nila talaga mga bata pa lang. Alam mo lang, ayaw patalo. At saka kailangan nila yung away. May yung mga assignment nila. Hindi ko lang kung magawa na nila eh. Malayo pa ang uwi ng mga to.
Eto na, South Bullies. Atake, block by Metasports. Eto na ang Black Mamba ng Metasports. Susugod ng iina screen. Eto na, 5 seconds to shoot. Pinasa. No good.
Lakas recovered.
Oy, pero nakakuha pa.
Tumira, wala pa rin sa Bullies.
South Bullies. Kicks it out. No good. Metasports, eto. Metasports. Oy, natapa.
Outside. Wala pa rin.
Rebound by South Bullies. South Bullies.
Basic move, the pump fake, and then putting it up again.
Metasports. Right hook ang tawag ng ating referee. Right hook.
And don't look now, pare, 7-14 na ating score. And the Bullies are way ahead.
Siyempre, partner kita, kaya tatapakan ko ang energy ni Paul Salud.
Okay. Alright. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. That's not the energy, brother. That's the voice.
Metasports! Ito na, South Bullies. 8 seconds to shoot.
Ito.
Oh! Grabe talaga tong South Bullies na to.
Bully can win inside.
Metasports, yes sir! Substitution, humingi. Dead ball.
Dead ball, pasok lang. Bullies. Another guy.
South Bullies, kanya pa rin. South Bullies!
Konting tulang lang. Malaki talaga, 16.
Alam mo, dapat kunin ko ng Batang Gilas eh.
Pwede na yan sa adult division. 12 anos lang eh. Grabe na yun. Ang laki eh.
Alam mo pare, yung laro nitong South Bullies, it reminds me of my game eh. When I was like,
Ganda ba? Ay,
when I was like 28.
69.
Eto, Metasports. Eto na! Wala. Medyo may state of fatigue na din itong Metasports. Pero may foul na tinawag sa South Bullies. And Metasports shooting 1. Substitution, pasok.
Pagod na. Ginagawa niya lahat, but it's just too much. Now on the South Bullies. South Bullies inside the big man. The big boy with the score automatic. Pasok na yan. Ito na, Metasports. Nakagaw pa.
Eto na mga kaibigan. Oh! South Bullies. Too much for the Metasports.
Metasports.
Eto na. No good. Rebound. Orange ball sabi ni referee Jason Gainsa.
So wala papasok ka. Labas ni isa. 18-9. 3 points na lang, and the Bullies will take home the championship for the kids division. Meta Sports, let's see what they
Ito
can
na,
do.
Meta Sports, syempre, lalaban pa rin sila hanggang dulo. Meta Sports, ito na ang kanilang Black Mamba. Meta Sports, wala. Medyo pagod na din. Sa Kobe Bryant ng Meta Sports. Ito, binigay sa loob, South Bullies. Yes sir, too easy.
Bully move ang tawag doon. That's a bully move.
Ito na, Meta Sports,
Trying to
pinapakita
shoot us all.
Kobe Bryant ng Meta Sports, aatake. Oh, wala na talaga partner. Medyo kinakapos na din. Wala pa rin. Rebound, South Bullies. Aatake ng South Bullies para isigurado. Pasa sa loob. Foul. Alam mo, itong substitution daw, sabi ng South Bullies.
Alright, but this guy did
Yes.
a lot of things inside.
Alam mo, shot. Wala.
The big difference talaga, literally the big difference of South Bullies, this guy, he looks like he's the MVP for me, no?
Eto na.
Very reliable from
Isang
inside.
putos na lamang po ang kinakailangan ng South Bullies para maging kampiyon sa Monumental 3x3 Season 5 Kids Division. Ito po mga kaibigan. Ito na, black ball. Tatapusin na ba ito ng South Bullies? Tatapusin na ba nila ang laban na ito? Ito na mga kaibigan.
Titirahan na, specialty. Parang setup na yun eh. Setup outside shot. Balik pa, wala
No
na.
good. Ito.